Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make basil pesto. This is one of my favorite things. Flavia has been begging me to make this for a while and I love it because it's so beautiful and fresh, and yeah, let's do this. I'm keen. Alrighty, so these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need olive oil. Now, if you're using your pesto more as a spread, so you want it thicker, you're only going to want about 1/3 of a cup of oil. If you're going to want this for a sauce, for say pasta, you're going to need about 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Of course, you can add more or less depending on taste. 2 cups of fresh basil. Now, I've chopped the leaves. Now, when I say a cup, it's quite full, so a little bit packed down like that. So some people get a bit confused like that. It's like, is it chopped, is it not? That's what I mean by about a cup. And it's washed as well. Now, you're going to have salt and pepper to taste, but don't put too much salt because Parmesan cheese has quite a bit in there. So I'd start off with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, but change how you like. 2 small cloves of garlic. Now, I'm using a slightly less strong one. If you're using Italian garlic, the purple stuff, use only 1 clove because it can be strong. 1/2 teaspoon of fresh zest of a lemon, and then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I've just put them together. 1/4 cup of roasted pine nuts. Now, what I've done, I've put them in an oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 355 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 7 minutes until they've come out all nice and golden brown. All right, so let's get started. So what we're going to do first is put our basil, salt and pepper, garlic, lemon and lemon zest, and pine nuts into a food processor and destroy Buzz Lightyear. No, and then we're going to just like smush it up together until it's lovely and pasty. Do not add the olive oil or cheese at this point. Don't do it. Now, carefully avoiding the blades, scrape down the sides because we want all of this deliciousness to get mixed together. When adding the olive oil, we're going to slowly drizzle it in while we're blending it together. This is just to help incorporate it a lot better. Okay, so this is the consistency of what it looks like with just 1/3 cup of oil. It's very pasty. It's very good for dips and pastes and such like that. That's really good, but we're gonna add a little bit more to make it into a sauce. And so this is what it's like when it's more of a saucy consistency. Cheese. Once your pesto is all combined in the food processor, we're going to add the cheese. Now, it's just a tip, never add the cheese in the food processor. I don't know why, I've never done it, but apparently it can alter the taste or the texture. So I do it like this. That's how I was taught to do it. Yum, pesto. At this point, just give it a quick taste because you might need to add more salt, pepper, cheese, depending on your taste. Oh. Is it good? It's good. We good, we good, we good. Okay guys, so that's how you make my basil pesto. It's really quick, really easy, and it's delicious with pasta. You can put it on anything. Like, I love it with bread, like dipping Turkish bread into. Oh my God. But yes, it smells so good. But yes, you can always add more cheese, salt, pepper, whatever you want, but this is a good base recipe. And I think Flavia should come try it now because she loves pesto. Alrighty, let's eat.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yum.
It looks beautiful. Oh, that was a huge amount. Mm. Oh, it smells so good. Mm-hmm. Oh. Mm. Oh, that's delicious.
Oh,
that is amazing.
Mm. But imagine that on like pizza. Oh, we should put that on pizza.
Pizza?
Pizza.
Yes, for sure.
Your pasta, like you always do. Like whenever we're going out on a night, like before, like while we're doing makeup, she's like, I need my pesto pasta. Starts eating it.
It's just really easy.
It's really easy and it's delicious. But if you're not using this straight away, what you can do is put it in a container. Just make sure to cover the whole surface with a little bit of oil. That just stops oxidation getting to it, making it go bad and spoil. And it can last for about a week in the fridge, but it's never lasted that long for me, so I don't know. But yes.
Because you eat it.
Because I eat it. Pesto. Let's do this. We did it. Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you want us to make any other food or recipes from anime, manga, TV shows, movies, games, let us know. Comment in the section below. Message us on social media. Talk to our faces. We're pretty friendly, so if you want to. But yeah, so see you next time. Bye.